Hello guys, in this video we will be seeing the Tech Mahindra question asked in the morning section 9:30, and let's without wasting any time, let's get into the question. The first question they have asked about pipes and cisterns. There are three pipes, P and Q and R, and the P pipe will fill the tank in 300 minutes, and Q pipe will alone fill the tank in 360 minutes, and R pipe will alone fill the tank in 480 minutes. So they have asking how much minute it will take if I open all the pipes simultaneously to fill the tank. So we need to find out how much minute the three pipe will take to fill the tank. As we know that for three pipe alone it will take 300 minutes. So for 1 minute the P pipe will fill how much minutes? So 1 by 300 part of the tank. So and Q pipe will fill the tank in 1 minute is equal to 1 by 360 plus and R pipe in 1 minute how much part will be filled in the tank? 1 by 480, because I added some, because all the three pipes are opened for 1 minute. If I opened for 1 minute, if I calculate this one, so I will get as 1 by 300 plus 1 by 360 plus 1 by 480. So I will get as, yeah, I will get as you can take outside here 1 by 60 outside you can take it. So 1 by 5 for simplicity, 1 by 6 plus 1 by 8 is equal to 1 by 60 into, we will get as 59 divided by 120. So which leaves answer as 22 minute, right? How much? 122 minutes, sorry. Calculate this one, how much you will get. 1 by 60 into 59 divided by 120, yeah, you will get as how much? uh, 59 into 1 is equal to 59 divided by 60 into 120, how much? 7200. Okay, and this is the part filled by 1 minute, but we no need of 1 minute how much part will be filled. So we need how much tank will be filled if three pipes open simultaneously. It's nothing but 7200 divided by 7200 divided by 59. How much we will get? Just calculate it. 7200 divided by 59. So how much? So I will get it as 122, right? Answer is 122. So I will get it as 122. So here there are option is there 122 minutes. So answer is B. Mark it as B. So going to the next question, the statement, and this question is based on the syllogism and syllogism topic. The first statement is there, all the rats are mobile. So all the rats are mobile. All the rats are, so this is rats. All the rats are mobile. Okay, all the rats are mobile. So all the cats are mobile. So all the cats. So cats may be here. This is one possibility. Or cats also lies this one, right? So it may be cats. or it may be cats. Both are obeying the rules. Means first all the rats are mobile, second one all the cats are mobile, right? There is two possibility. Let's take the conclusion. Some cats are rats. Will you say that some cats are rats? I can't say that, because yeah, I can say that, right? Because some cats are rats. Yeah, it's possible, but I don't know whether it happened or not. So I think it's not happened, because some cats are rats, because I don't know. Maybe the diagram is first one, right? It may not be coincide. I don't know. No rats are cats. No rats are cats. This also I don't know. So option C, either one or one two follows. Okay, next question. Going to the next question. Yeah, it's a direction sense problem. Direction sense. As we know that, first of all we should know the direction sense. Okay, first of all we should know the direction sense. As we know that this is always east, and this is always west, and this is always north, and this is always south. So according to the question, Pratik starts, okay, he starts from point here. He starts walking towards east, okay, and stop after 25. So this is 25 meter, and then he turns left. So left is above. So he he again turns left and walks 10 meters, right? Okay, he stops here. He started here, he stops here. They are asking that what is the minimum distance Pratik has to cover in order to reach his starting point, and this is the distance they are asking about. Apply the Pythagoras theorem. As we know that this distance, let it be A, B and C. So AB is equal to root of 25 square plus 10 square is equal to how much? 625. 625 plus 100 is equal to 725. Root of 725. So root of 725 725 is equal to how much? How much root of 725? 725. Root of 725 is equal to 5 into root of 29, right? So none of this. Okay, going to the next question. Yeah, fill in the blank. Before attempting the question, first of all we should write this A B C D. So up to Z, A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P P Q R R S T U V W X Y and Z. And here you can see this one. After H there is G. So G, okay. After G there is F. So after the okay. So uh, so what it is next? After okay, this one I got it. Here Sorry guys, and this is not RR. Something mistake is happen. Wait. Yeah, it is P guys. It is P. Okay. It is P. Okay. This one correct. HGF. Do you know that? No. HGF. How it comes? Okay. Then here PR. P and here K. K. After that, what should come here? K. Where is K? Here it should come here. What? J, right? So J should come here. So I know that J should come here. So it may be this one, or maybe, wait guys. Uh, Wait guys. Sorry guys. I thought wrong way. Yeah. First of all, as we know that okay. H. Yeah. First of all, P. P is there. P after I will get what? R, right? R. After that I will get T. After that what should I get? I don't know. After that I will get X. So here observe here, P first. Okay. After that I will get R. Okay. After that I will get T. Okay. After that I should get V, right? So write V here. So it, this may be option or this may be option. Okay. There are two possibilities there. Okay. And again check here, H. After H there should be G here. So after H there should be G here. After G there should be F here. After G there should be F here. So same way K. So K, it should be what here? It should be J. So absolutely first one is answer, not this one. So option A is answer. Okay, option A is answer, JV. Again going to the next question. Yeah, this is the question on profit and loss, and in this question Kavita sells an article for rupees 39 rupees which cost X rupees. Means he buyed or he bought that article for X rupees, and then she sells it at 39 rupees. If she gains X percentage on X percentage, then what was the cost price of that article? And in this question they are telling that, and she goes to the store and he buys an article at a rate of, cost price should be is equal to X rupees. Okay, and then his selling price, and she sells at the rate of 39 rupees. Then she get the gain percentage is how much? Is equal to X percentage. Okay, then they are telling that what is the cost price, what is the X. So we know that gain percentage formula is equal to, so gain percentage is equal to cost price, because gain, in the gain what, selling price always more than the cost price. So selling price minus cost price divided by cost price into 100. So gain equal to X is equal to selling price equal to 39 minus X divided by cost price equal to X into 100. So x square, so this x comes and this x comes here, so x square is equal to 39 into 100, 39,000 minus 100 x. So if I rearrange this one, I will get x square plus 100x minus 3900 is equal to 0. So 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 x square plus 100x minus 3900 is equal to 0. So if you calculate this quadratic equation, you will get excess. How much excess? Yeah, tell me how much excess. You will get excess 30 rupees. So sorry guys, I didn't give the option, and for this one answer is 30 rupees. If you want you can check. So 30 rupees is cost price. This is answer. Okay, and going to the next question, that is last question. Yeah, this is the simplest question. If I have got 43% in my SEM exam, so I have got 43%, right? Okay, in SEM exam my score was what, 387. So total score is how much? That means 100%, right? If I calculate cross multiply, then I will get total score. So total marks in an exam, but I got only 43%, means 387. 43% means 387. 100% means full marks means how much? Cross multiply, you will get 40, you will get 387 into 100 divided by 43. So 43 ones are 43 nines are, so you will get 900. So total marks equal to 900. This is total marks in exam. So but Pratik scores, as we know that for 100% means what, 900, but Pratik scores 684. Then how much percentage, how much his percentage? You cross multiply, cross multiply 100, cross multiply what, 100 into 684 divided by 900. How much? 0 0 get cancelled, right? Okay, 9s, 9 sevens are how much? 62, right? How much remaining? 5 remaining, so 54. So okay, 9 sevens are 63. Yeah, 5 remaining, 54. So 9 6 are 54. So answer is what, 76%? Answer is B. And that's it guys. If you really like this video, please subscribe my channel, so that based on your comment or your subscription or your like, I can make more video of Tech Mahindra, and also I can make coding. If you want, please put it in comment if you have any queries. Thank you guys, thank you.